Welcome to Impact Radio Accessories Learning Resources playlist. Today we will be covering how to clean your radio accessories. You can easily clean your radio accessories using 70% plus alcohol wipes, rubbing alcohol, or bleach-free disinfectant wipes. For rubbing alcohol, apply a small amount to a microfiber cloth. Ensure the cloth is damp, not soaking, and gently rub it over the surface of your accessory. A compressed air canister is also recommended for drying tubing or removing dust. This video features our Platinum one-wire surveillance kit with an acoustic tube 2 earpiece. First, let's disconnect your accessory from the radio for special connectors such as the M15, M16, M17, or M19. Make sure to watch our tutorial on how to easily disconnect the accessory without damaging the connector. Next, let's remove the QDAD acoustic tube from the transducer because it has collected moisture over time. Using a compressed air canister, we can blow it through the QDAD to dry out the moisture. Aim the nozzle of the compressed air can at one end of the tube and give it a few short bursts. This should effectively clear out any water and improve performance. Please note that we recommend you replace your QDAD if you notice any discoloration or experience a decrease in performance. We sell these in bulk, and they are easy to replace. Next, grab a bleach-free wipe or spray alcohol on a microfiber cloth until it's damp but not wet. Begin wiping down the exterior of the acoustic tube or other external elements of the earpieces. Dry with a paper towel or dry microfiber cloth. Please ensure accessories are completely dry before reassembling them. We use the same method to wipe down all external elements of our accessories, such as Kevlar cables, headsets, or PTTs, and then dry them. Some elements to avoid are mesh microphone closures for PTTs or foam pieces on headsets. When cleaning the connectors, avoid touching any of the metal parts of the connectors and be sure to dry its exterior. Consider our Silver Series earpieces and speaker mics as an alternative to cleaning. They're so cost-effective that they can be treated as disposable. Our waterproof products can be safely submerged in mild soap solution and water. However, it's crucial that the connector pins never get wet or touch cleaning solutions. Make sure to rinse accessories thoroughly to remove any soap residue. And there you have it, simple and effective ways to keep your radio accessories clean and safe. For replacement parts, contact our expert sales team. Otherwise, visit our how-to playlist for more tutorials. Thank you.